21st June 2026, and it's currently 1 p.m. and no one is in the room. Let me first introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Ishika Rana and most of you all know me as a CBSE 9th grader. And today for sure, this is not a study vlog, no study table, no books, nothing. Just me and the phone recording this video. I honestly don't know how to put all those things into words, but I have to try. And also I wrote everything down before recording this video because I'm not really so good at expressing my feelings. So if I sound a little bit nervous or keep looking at my notes, so that's the reason. Everything that has happened till now was really so quick. Like it was really so fast that even I didn't get the time to realize what is happening around me, what is going on. So there is not a proper starting of my story. So I will directly come to the answer that yes, I took TC from my school, leaving behind all the beautiful people I met there, leaving behind all the beautiful memories, and now I'm here. Everything is new, new place, new people, new faces, new voices, and yes, I was really not ready for this, and still I'm not. Yes, I moved to another school, and don't you know, guys, but I'm really so far away from the people I genuinely love the most, and the people who makes my life really so lucky. I spent almost 3 years in that school. I was first admitted there when I was in 5th. Then time flew by. I was in class 6th, then class 7th, then 8th, and even in 9th until June came. And the most worst thing that has happened to me is that I didn't even know that was my last day of school. Some of you know that I took 15 days leave from my school to attend family functions and weddings. And the thing is, I returned just one day before the summer vacation started. And before the vacation even ended, we moved to different place and took the TC. No proper goodbye, no last class, just nothing. It was completely unexpected. No one was ready for it, not even me. And even now, it all feels like a dream. Of course, a worst dream. We make so much memories there. I will say I really grew there. Some of those moments were captured in my camera roll, but the best memories, the bestest moments, were never recorded, and they were just simply lived, and those moments will always stay with me. And what I really want to say is that I'm really so grateful to have those people in my life. I sometimes think about, what if I never gone to that school? What if I never gone to that place? And what if I never met those people? My life was such a waste then. Yes, it would be a waste to live without those people. And I wrote this line, because a life filled with good people is one of the greatest blessing anyone can have. People who make you feel valued, people who stand beside you no matter what, people who correct you when you are wrong, and people who guide you towards the right path. And really, sometimes they don't just show you the path, they walk with you on it. You can explain how much lucky I feel to have those people in my life. Some of them are in my camera roll, and some of them even don't have a single photo with me, but they still hold a important place in my heart. And now I want to thank all of you. All the beautiful comments you all put was really so meaningful to me. It gave me the support I needed at that time, and even now, whenever I see the comments, I feel like so blessed, and it was so beautiful. Even though you didn't know what was happening to my life and with me, but you still managed to support me, and that's made me feel special. And I know there were almost 3-4 comments from the strangers, and rest of it was from my friends, but even those 3 comments were so meaningful to me, and you support me more than you know. I feel really so lucky. And I genuinely love and do care of you all. And I hope we will continue this journey together because there are people who want to see me move forwards. There are people who believe in me, and of course, you all are here also. So, no, this is not the end because I'm still going to post videos. And don't worry, we will figure out our all backlogs. And yes, I will try to stay positive and become more sincere because I'm only far away from my loved ones. I haven't lost them, they are still there, and I'm still here. And honestly, having a long distance is much better than losing them completely. So, yes, let's continue this journey together. And one thing more, we could not bring our study table with us, so you won't be seeing me studying at my study table anymore. I could not afford it anymore, and that's it. So now I am feeling much better than before, and at last, thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much for simply existing in this world. And I really so thankful, so grateful to have you all. Every one of you matter to me. Your beautiful comments, whatever you put is really so meaningful to me, and thank you so much for your support. So keep shining, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself, and also keep supporting. So let's meet in another video. Bye bye.